Kenya Forest Service koriwore kod Blue Focus Africa oyango chenro mar Africa Champion of Trees Award 2025 ma oyango pith yien kod arit ne yiende e Afrika. Chenro ni mar pith biro dhi nyime nyaka 2032 kendo biro konyo e pidho yien gi atamalo 30 yiende maromo bilion 15. Mich oyawne ji duto kochakore kuom ji giwegi, grube, joma tiyo ne sirikal, sikunde, ute fwambo e kind mamoko ka ichiwo mich nyaka omenda maromo siling milion 5. Chenro ni geto neno ni oganda opidho yien kendo rito yien e alwora magintie.
Our role will be to create awareness about this process, so that our officers can, because they are on the ground, they are working with these people, tell them this is happening. Can you apply? You own a tree nursery here, you are planting trees here. Can you apply for consideration?
Is recognizing those people who are specifically supporting us in achieving the 15 billion strategy. The main issue here is that while particularly us foresters, we do a lot. We raise seedlings, but even before we raise seedlings, seeds must have been collected. They must have been prepared. They must have been processed. They must have been stored and also provided for raising the tree nurseries.